Good morning, welcome to a morning review. This is Kim Watson speaking on Thursday the 1st of October. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and as you can see we've from a daily perspective we're challenging that daily trend line once again. There's various trend lines that have been sitting there which it broke the through the one I had on a couple of days ago. It's broken through that quite definitely there. Now it's challenging this trend line again. Still remain pretty bearish on the euro. It has got the possibility of a bit of a retracement at some point today, but overall my bigger picture still favours the downside. That said, we do have the new monthly pivot that's come in just above us, which could create a target to the upside. We'll see how we go with that. We've got the daily pivot above us as well, so there is reason to see what we could, from a statistical basis, make a move to the upside. Technically, at the moment, no, it's looking rather bearish, and the S1 could well be in place or as a target point from here. But we'll just have to see how this rides out this morning. But as I say, statistically, we've got the chance of pushing up at the moment. News-wise for the euro, there's not a lot coming out until the what we got today. Not a lot at all, actually. Had the ADP yesterday. We've got unemployment claims, the US unemployment claims at 1:30, which may just kick in a little bit, and the manufacturing figures at 3 o'clock. So not that much, but maybe enough there, here and there, just to give it a little bit of a kicker. But nothing specific to the euro. So that's euro dollar. So cable, pound dollar, and the pound dollar again yesterday sold, making another new low. So it's broken through the absolute lows there. There's still part of me looking at this and thinking, well, we've been down, and there's a chance. I mean, we've now had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down days in a row, and we haven't seen anything positive. Just again, it's a statistical thought. There's three things happen. We've got the daily, weekly, and monthly pivots untouched above us. There may be a chance of this just pulling around. One thing I was saying to the traders in our room yesterday, there are a lot of bullish traders on the pound, and I'm wondering whether we'll see that neutralise before we see a push up on the pound. But for now, I'll just come back to this daily chart. As I say, it's broken those prior lows there, and now we're sort of getting close to the key 1.5 area. So maybe it runs down to that first and doesn't look back to the pivots. Okay, so looking weak, 60-minute perspective, well, daily pivot just above us. A break of the lows here. I'll just draw a trend line on it. It's probably already breaking them, or looking to break them. No, not quite. A break of those lows may see us running down towards the S1, that's for sure. So, it's a possibility this morning. So, looking weak, both the euro and the pound, but as I say, got some potential of a rally at some point, possibly. Dollar yen, still in its chop zone region. It's already, no surprise, it's already hit the monthly pivot, because it's just not gone anywhere most of the month. Not a lot to be said on this. It's just range bound. There's a possibility it could break the highs here, but it's such a, I mean, the possibility then it may come back up to the prior highs, but then stay in range. So it's erring towards the upside. Finally, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, well, a bit more of a sustained move here. We had a pivot swing put in, almost, not quite. And then yesterday's pushed up. It's already just tapping on the door of the monthly pivot. It's rolling. It looks like it's rolling from here, where we are at the moment. Not the strongest looking move at all. Maybe helped if we see some dollars selling with the euro and the pound running up, but at the moment this pattern it's putting in is relatively weak. Could see it come back to the 20s, maybe a bit more. It's just it looks a bit exhausted in that sort of move where it's done, but it has finally broken and closed above the 0.7036 area, which has been sort of a resistance point for quite some time. So it's closed well above that area, just not looking great. Maybe we'll just see some consolidation, and maybe it's with these higher lows it's putting in, it will continue in that vein. Okay, not a lot, as I say, in terms of news. News coming out at 9:30 for the UK is the manufacturing PMI, which may see the pound get a bit of volatility around about 9:30. Then, as I said already, the US unemployment claims, just a weekly figure coming out at 1:30, and at 3 o'clock we've got the ISM numbers. So there we go. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.